welcome back another new session on operational resource. Myself Tushar. In past lecture of decision theory, we have learned that what type of decision you take, either it will be good, either it will be bad. Have you applied any qualitative or quantitative tools to take a decision? Today we will learn various types of or various steps of making a perfect decisions, right? So let's start our session. There are main 6 steps in decision making. Means which type of step? First you have to clear define the problem in your head. Means you have a problem, you have all clarity of your problem. Clear means suppose you have to prepare or have to plan to give a competitive exam. That is a problem. Which type of problem? Means you have a job, or you have a job but you have not satisfied with this job, right? This prestige. So what happened? That type of problems you have to start your preparation. Means clearly define why you choose this decision. Second is list the possible alternative. Means you have to think that all the type of this possible alternatives. Means competitive exam, all find out the resources from where you have to start your preparation, from where you have to take coaching also. So you have to find out all the possible alternatives. Now find out the identify possible outcomes or state of nature. Means suppose you have to do your job and parallelly you want to start your preparation. So what happened? You never join any regular classes. So based on that you have to choose online class, you have to choose online free resources for preparing your exam. So this is the possible outcome of your decision. Next is list the payoff or profit of each combination of alternative and outcome. So list out your payoff. Means which type of benefit you have got or you have found out after clearing the exam. Next one is select one of the mathematical decision theory models. You have to decide. Means I will prepare this competitive exam. And that competitive exam needs 3 to 4 to 5 6 7 hours needed. So I have starting a mathematical decision. How? Means I have wake up 5 o'clock, 5 to 6 I will prepare. After 6 5 to 7 6 to 7 5 to 7 I will prepare. I will do my preparation, but after that I will ready for job and I'm going to the job. In job free time I will again start my preparation. I will read a newspaper or etc. Means you have to calculate your optimum hours in which you have to do your preparation of competitive exam. Means you have to apply a perfect optimal strategy. That is a mathematical decision, right? Next one, apply the model and make your decision. Means you have to apply that model. Means simple. You have to make a timetable. As we learned that which type of timetable we have prepared. Means today I will start preparation. I will find out that I make a timetable. That is a model. Means say 5 to 6 or 6 to 7 or 5 to 7 I will do my preparation. Then after I will ready for the job. In job whenever free I will do the preparation. And after reach the home and during from job place to the home I prefer public transportation. In public transportation I will do the preparation. After reach the home I will fresh. I will give my family time 1 to 2 hours, 3 hours. Then after again taking a lunch and taking a dinner, and again I will be prepare for the preparation, and I will do my again a 3 to 4 hours preparation. Means whole day planning. You have to make one timetable of that. That is known as a model. Apply a model and start make your decision. Clear? So these all are the basic steps. Next is types of decision making. Which types of decision you have to take? First one is based on environment. So decision making under certainty. All type of decision making we have seen in last lecture. Decision making in under certainty means you have to fix your outcome. Means you have known that such type of outcome will be getting. Means how? Let's take another example. As if you put or if you make FD in nationalized bank, and nationalized bank will announce, or nationalized bank announce as a 1 year FD rates will be 5%. So suppose you have put 1 lakh rupees FD, you have made 1 lakh rupees FD, you know that 5% of 1 lakh will be getting, or will be get after 1 year. It's a fixed outcome. That is known as a decision making under the certainty. Decision making under risk means you haven't know. If you apply, if you give in share market, if you put your money in share market, if you invest in share market without any considering decision making under risk, you have to take a decision. Means outcome of decision means don't know. You haven't know the outcome. Means suppose you have to put your money, invest in money in XYZ share, but you don't know that XYZ share give you 100% return, or it will be a minus 100% return. Clear? Next one, decision making under uncertainty means again the outcome of decision uncertainty is don't know. Clear? But even its probability is also known. Means probability you have not perfectly predicted. Clear? Next one is types of decision. That is strategic decision. Strategic decision concerned with an external environment of organization. You have to take a strategic decision. Means make one strategy. Clear? Next one is administrative decision. Means you have to administrate it. You have a big organization. You have to administrate all the employees. You have to take a decision based on that. Like as you have to decide to give a Diwali bonus to all. So you have a strategy. You have to think that companies' capitals have such type of money, such type of extra profit to give a Diwali bonus to all the employees, right? You have a 5 to 6 employees, you will manage, but you have a 500, 600 employees, then you have to decide all type of the alternatives. Clear? So concern with structuring and acquisitions of organization resources. So optimize the performance of organization. Clear? Third one is operating decision. Means concern with day-to-day operation of organization such as pricing, production scheduling, inventory levels, etc. Mean operating decision means you have to decide in continuous way. Means suppose during same example we have taken as a share market. I think you all as know a share market, right? Why? Because from sometimes also newspaper, in newspaper we have found the news as this much of people, this many demat accounts will be opened or was opened during the corona pandemic. So you have to do a share market in 9 to 3. So what happened? You have to take some amount of shares. Think that amount of shares or that value of that shares will decrease. So what happened? To manage your fund, you have to take another shares, and that shares will be growing. So you have to manage your funds. So you have to take operating decision. Means during operation you have to take a decision. Clear? So these all are the types of decision. Now first we will move forward the first decision making under the certainty. So in certain problem, the information available to the decision maker is almost complete. Means you have to know that you have a fixed amount of return in FD as a 5%. You have a fixed resources, right? And all the facts about the state of nature, and also know which state of nature will occur. You know that after 1 year you will get 5% amount of interest, right? So that is the fix. If you want to make an FD in which you have to want interest monthly, so you have think that after completion of month you will, or bank will credit that such amount of interest into your account. That is all type of certainty, all type of state of nature, all type of resources you know, all type of course of action you know. Before completion of 1 year, you broker FD, then 1% of loss, means 1% of penalty will be you have to pay. Means suppose you have a 5% interest, you will get a 5% of interest, and before 1 year you have to broker FD. Then bank will also do a exit load as a 1%, means you have to got a 4% interest on your FD. Means all type of situation, you know, in certainty condition, right? Simple, easy decision. Clear? This is the Kisan Vikas Patra, right? 5,000 rupees Vikas Patra, means you have to know that this type of amount will I receive. Clear? Now, decision making under uncertainty, means in business situation there are so many problems in this nature. The choice of course of action depends on the personality or judgment of decision maker, right? Second is response to decision maker may be tough, as optimistic, pessimistic of those which have a less regret, which have a low loss. Clear? And third one is consider example of half-filled glass, right? So what happened? It's a perceptions, and optimists would say that the glass is half filled, right? Which is pessimistic would say that glass is half empty. Some of this glass is half empty. Some of this half glass is half glass was filled, right? Another manager would say that the glass is twice as large it needs to be, means we require such type of amount of water. But another person would say that glass will be bigger, or glass will be not behind your limitation, right? So all type of perception based on uncertainty. Next is some criteria used for decision making under situation, that is, for uncertainty we have to follow some decisions, right? So that is the optimum criteria, optimistic criteria, that is maximum or minimum. Next one is pessimistic criteria, that is a maximum criteria. Third one is Hurwitz criterion or coefficient of optimism or optimism of realism criteria. Regret analysis, salvage analysis we have to do, that is another criteria. For all type of criteria we have applied whenever we make a decision under the uncertainty condition. Next one is a Laplace, means Laplace criterion, rationality criterion, that is also known as the equal probabilities there. So let's explore them one by one from next lecture. From next lecture we have to calculate, we will learn optimistic criteria from decision making under the uncertainty condition. We have taken another example, we have take example, based on that we have to learn this type of methods. So all 5 methods we will learn in next lecture. Thank you.